One mama just bravely rescue her 5-year-old pikin from kidnappers' hand. Now I no know where this kidnapper na monitoring spirit where just dey monitor this mama as the mama carry her pikin. She and her children dey stroll. If you see that she just dey waka, the children dey for front. Before we go see, one man from nowhere just rush come outside from him motor. Say he wan go thief. I no know where na amateur kidnapper be this one. But my people abeg, make una follow me watch. Hey, my people abeg o, make una dey very careful. Una don see as dey try kidnap person. The person mama still dey there. This guy still gather mind. Say na so he wan take go dey do him own kidnapping. But I swear this mama dey very lucky. Because if say she just go panic, she just go shake small like this, she for don't even fear. She no go even think she wan take kidnap, help this pikin. And her children sef try, in fact, kudos to them. Plus the mama plus them these children. See as everybody dey hustle. Now there this woman come carry her pikin, draw am out from window. I know say na some people they for don't panic, they go down dey shout, chime, they go down dey run up and down. They no go even reason wetin they wan do. But this whole thing I no come dey understand. It means say everywhere, no even say even for abroad, broad daylight, na person dey there say he wan go thief pikin. He no even feel, and the one wey even come surprise me sef the whole matter na. This guy, as he come, e be like say he don plan the thing. He don dey wait. Person sef dey inside motor with am. So as e be like say he carry the pikin, he just go drop the pikin give the other person. Now there I come dey reason say maybe this woman, maybe na him husband na him send this man o. Say make the man come carry, maybe he no dey give am access to the children. He come reason am say the only way na for am to kidnap the pikin. Because I no fit talk say maybe kidnapping business sef don dey trend for abroad. Now I make them say they come reason and say the only way na make they kidnap pikin. Because wetin you wan use dem this pikin do one? Wetin this pikin wey kidnap now? Wetin na blood money wan waste na that? Be waiting. Una sef don get juju for that side. I reason all this thing I no even understand am. I think am well, I come feel am say this oyinbo I sure say na person send am because the way wey even take come, you go know say this one no be pure thing. And in fact, this whole thing wey they catch, they never even catch am, but they find am. But this thing, you see as oyinbo side, CCTV dey everywhere. Now wetin make this whole thing even help them? The camera don picture there. If say na Africa, now we go dey find person wey even kidnap the person. But this one now, no wasting of time. Sharp, they don't already see the person. They don't already post the person picture and the other man. See how they find this person. So African countries, they're supposed to adopt all this kind of means. They say and say all this one now. If say cameras there around, all this criminal will be saying now they find bandit this one, they would already see them the people face. This one now, sharp, they don't already find solution. Now in fact, abroad people when they try. But I mean say Gboma don't come outside both for Nigeria or both for anywhere. This one what they do for America, it means say for Nigeria sef. No be new thing. We they think say na only Africa, now all these kind of bad things they happen. It means say na everywhere it is. So make parents dey careful. You where they carry your pikin, they watch your pikin well. Make no come be say we come hear story saying somebody don't go kidnap your pikin. People eyes they red everywhere they hot. For the reason we don't even know what they make people they hot like this. Behind a blood money they won't go use the pikin do. I been a person get the pikin we don't even understand. My people I beg, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come. Make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter what I just hear now, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for the next video. One naked woman just mysteriously go get trapped inside 2 buildings. In fact, I don't know how she take do. I don't even know how she take hang in between these 2 buildings. But this one they happen inside California for USA. We gotta say as this woman fall for there, now there this woman begin shout for help. More than 1 hour, person they there, they cry. Nobody they hear. In fact, people where they hear her, they know they see her. They begin find this woman tired, they no see. About 30 minutes later, when they don't do search and find finish, now there they can later go see her. In between what they call 18 inches gap. Those of now we know how to calculate all these inches, make a carry ruler. This measurement no even reach that small ruler or that long, it no even reach them. Now there they go see this woman in between this team place. When we say person no be plywood, I beg how you take manage enter in between these places. It can't be like they overtalk and say maybe the thing even big person go fit enter. My people I beg make na use na eye see for on herself.
William Medower and his brother heard something strange.
My brother heard somebody crying or screaming from the back. We thought it just the neighbor's crying because he lost his dog.
It wasn't his neighbor, and a face so small it seemed impossible. A naked woman screaming for help.
How did she get in there? It was a surprise, to see her laying around naked.
From News Chopper 4, it's hard to tell there's even a gap between the two buildings. Guided by firefighters watching from the roof and from the side of the building, rescuers cut through the thick concrete walls to save the woman. They stuck a camera into these holes to better guide them. Dish soap on standby to help with the rescue. Still the big question tonight out of so many big...
And I don't say I beg you, how she enter inside this space? Because the reason I say, it no dey normal for person to fall down inside this kind of place. One day there. Say no be pencil, no be razor. Fall for there, person go come stay there. But she got me after 2 hours. Now they come go call all these emergency people. Now there they begin fine. They do everything possible. They say they see and say, this kind of thing, they no go fit enter. The reason I was as this woman enter here, they no go fit enter this place. Now there they come decide, okay, they go cut maybe part of this building to bring out this woman come outside. At the time when they go check, they see this woman naked. One, make now underline that part. One, she dey naked. Secondly, she dey inside this hole. Now there may I come the reason. On I sure say this woman no go winch meeting. As she come back, maybe Nadia she can't go change. She can't go do mistake. Maybe instead of her to change inside her house, she can't go for that place. Abi as she go meeting, she go as lizard. As she can't come back, she can't go turn to human being inside it because I don't even want reason. Abi maybe she go bath, maybe she don't get bathroom. Hey, nothing why I don't think finish. Maybe she don't get bathroom for house. She can't climb the top of this building. Say, okay, make her manage back. Then from there, she can't do some assault 360 degree. Abi she go even cheat on I see my option. Maybe she go cheat as person won't catch her. She don't see any escape route again on top of this roof. As God said, won't go catch her. Be now waiting come make her go fall inside this thing. Because nothing will never feel reason. No? Because as now in both person now, nothing will fitting. Them said they don't even they asking. I beg how she take manage reach here. It's in Africa. In fact, I don't even stress myself. I go just conclude say this woman a winch. I for just decide say yes, so now real winch she goes somewhere. She they come back now she come fall down for him. Because no how we perceive it in this kind. The inch is too small. In fact, the gap. And I see this hand open like this. Maybe this gap say big. It even big because I can't want maybe the person thinks so she drive front and back everything flat. For person to enter this kind of things, I don't over reason now. I don't see the option how this person take line there. So either be say she go meeting for the meeting, winch I know they talk of normal meeting, winch is meeting, don't say they fit turn to bed, turn to anything. Now for there, now she can't go escape route, no then I just go fall inside this thing. But this one they just say, well, I know they finish on my people. As we they hear and for here, now there we they hear and for there. Those of now where do science, maybe on a go fit explain to me how this woman take reach and I fit do the calculation. Because to me I don't do my conclusion. Say this one lady and black say she don't go join one kind of banje group. But for now, and I feel know the scientific reason, I feel don't go even do the calculation. So I beg, make myself right waiting and fear about this whole matter will happen. Make not forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.